Welcome everyone, to our journey towards a vibrant and wholesome life. In today's fast-paced world, many of us lead increasingly sedentary lifestyles. With the convenience of technology, it's easier than ever to become a couch potato, spending hours in front of screens. The importance of transforming your lifestyle. Before diving into the practical steps, let's take a moment to understand why it's essential to transform from a couch potato to a fitness enthusiast. Leading a sedentary lifestyle can adversely affect your physical and mental health. It's associated with weight gain, cardiovascular issues, muscle weakness, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Build a support network. Transforming your lifestyle is more manageable when you have a support network. Share your fitness goals with friends and family who can offer encouragement and join you on your journey. Consider finding a workout buddy to hold you accountable and make exercising more enjoyable. Make your environment conducive to fitness. Make your home environment conducive to your new lifestyle. Set up a designated workout space with a yoga mat and some resistance bands, even if it's just a corner of your living room. A designated area can serve as a visual reminder to prioritize your fitness. Learn about different types of exercise. Fitness is not one size fits all. Explore various types of exercise to find what resonates with you. Whether it's yoga, weightlifting, HIIT, high-intensity interval training, or team sports, there's a form of exercise that suits your preferences and goals. Educate yourself about the benefits of each to make an informed choice. Consult a professional. If you're new to exercise or have specific health concerns, consider consulting a fitness professional or healthcare provider. They can provide personalized guidance, recommend appropriate exercises, and ensure your fitness plan aligns with your health goals and limitations. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is an excellent way to stay motivated. Keep a fitness journal to record your workouts, measurements, and any milestones you achieve. This tangible evidence of your progress can boost your confidence and drive to continue. Mix it up. Repetitive workouts can become monotonous. To keep things exciting and prevent boredom, mix up your routines. Try new exercises, explore different fitness classes, or work outdoors. Variety keeps you engaged and challenges your body in different ways. Rest and recovery are essential. Remember that rest and recovery are as crucial as the workouts themselves. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries. Make sure to incorporate rest days into your fitness plan, where you allow your body to recuperate. Listen to your body. Pay close attention to your body's signals. If you experience pain or discomfort beyond typical muscle soreness, it's essential to address it promptly. Ignoring pain can lead to more significant issues and hinder your progress. Fuel your body right. Exercise alone is not enough. Your diet plays a significant role in your transformation. Focus on a balanced diet. Adequate hydration is also crucial for optimal performance and recovery. Avoid extreme diets. While eating well is essential, avoid extreme diets or drastic calorie restrictions. These can be unsustainable and harm your long-term goals. Instead, aim for gradual, sustainable changes to your eating habits. The journey from being a couch potato to a fitness enthusiast is rewarding, but it requires dedication and commitment. Start with realistic goals, create a supportive environment, educate yourself, stay motivated, prioritize recovery, embrace a balanced diet, celebrate your achievements, and seek professional guidance when needed. Remember that the most important step is the first one, taking that initial leap off the couch and into a healthier, more active lifestyle. Your future self will thank you for it. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.